so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Opal Glams and I'm back with another tutorial. Before I go on with this tutorial, I just want to say thank you guys so much. We've grown so much. We are more than 40,000 here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. So all my new subscribers, you are welcome to the family. Thank you guys so much.
But I know I'm the same. Yeah.
Starting off this tutorial, I always get this same question: how do you stretch out your hair? And I think I've explained more than 2 times in different videos that it's either I do the threading method or I use a blow dryer to stretch out my hair. So my hair was washed, I think, almost a week before I did this style, and then I put my hair in a I had to thread my hair, and this is what you get when you thread your hair. It's fluffy, it's stretched out, and it's easier for you to work with. So this style, I've seen it so much on Instagram. It's a Fulani braids with coils and with a crochet style, and I thought to do a tutorial showing you guys how very easy it is to achieve the style. So the extensions I'll be using is the Expression Ultra Braid. I use 1 pack of it, and also the Deep Twist in 22 by FREETRESS. I use color 4 and thick color 30 because I decided to mix up the style. I didn't want to use color 1 or color 1 because I feel like most of my styles here, it's either color 1 or color 1B. So if you notice from my video while I was parting my hair, you'd notice some whitish substance on my hair. My hair is not dirty. It's the products that I used that flakes, or it's flaking a little on my scalp, so which is not a problem. I still decided to go ahead to do the video without washing my hair the second time. So this style, like I said, is very easy to achieve. It's a Fulani braids with curls. What I'm doing now is just sectioning the parts where I'll be doing the braids, and the back side I'll be doing the cornrows where I am going to attach the crochet to the style. It's actually very easy, so the video is going to be very easy for you to understand. But if you don't understand or you need more information, you can drop your comment in the comment section down below, and I'll also leave the link, or not the link actually, I'll also leave all the details of the product that I used in the description box, so you can do well to check the description box for you to get the full information of all the products that I used.
In the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night.
I also want to add that for the cornrows, it doesn't have to be perfect. I wasn't paying attention to my lines, if it's clean or not. It's not important. The most important thing is that you do your cornrows and then you do your crochet on it. So if you want to make it to look crispy clean, you can go ahead to do that, but nobody's still going to see the cornrows, so why spend so much time trying to achieve clean lines at the back when nobody's going to see it. So my focus was more in the, I think, on the front side, which you get to see how I took my time to make sure it is clean and crispy as possible for me.
But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
So for the cornrows in front, I decided to use a shine and jam to make sure my lines are extra clean and extra crispy. I always like to say crispy actually, because when your lines are really straight and beautiful, it's actually very crispy. So this is the part where you have to pay more attention to your lines, because this is the front part, and I'll be doing the feeding method for my cornrows. I'll be taking tiny extension of the Expression pre-stretched expression braids, and I'll just keep, you know, the way you do your fitting braids. Yeah, so that's what I'm just, you know, doing with the braiding. It's very easy. But if you don't know how to braid, well, that's why you need a professional. But if you know how to do your cornrows yourself, then this style, you know, is very easy. And you don't have to make sure the cornrows in front are tiny. I think I had like 8 cornrows in front, and that was it basically.
We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal?
So from this point, you can start adding your coily extension, because you want the tips to be really coily so it blends with the other part of, you know, the crochet. You get to see what I'm trying to say from here. But yeah, I was just adding the extension so that at the end of the day, you know, when you do your bohemia braids and you had your coily extension, so the tips are really coily. Yep, that's what I was trying to achieve.
Handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby.
So when you're done braiding to where you want the extension to be, you can then cut off the braiding hair, which is the expression pre-stretch hair, and then you're left with the coily end. So that is the same thing I did for all the braids in front, and can you see that? It's really beautiful.
But I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections when you look at me.
So I am done with the cornrows in front, and now it's the fun part of this tutorial, which is the crochet method. I feel like at this point of YouTube, if you don't know how to crochet, I don't know what else to say to you, but I know most of us can actually crochet, and it's actually the fun part for me because it's way easier. And for the extension, I got 4 packs of the FREETRESS braids, but I only used 3.5 packs because the 3.5 packs I was at one point thinking it was even too much for me. But if you want more volume, you can use 4 packs or even 5 packs. But for me, I felt it was too much because the older the hair gets, the more frizz you get, the more volume you get, and the more you fluff it, the more you separate the hair, the more volume you get. So I just felt 3.5 packs was okay for me.
so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
So this is the end result of the style. I had to add the accessories, and I also had to use rubber bands. If you look closely at the braids at the ends, I had to use rubber band because I was tying it and realized that it's possible for it to unravel because the hair is coily, so I had to resort to using rubber band. And then I just trimmed the ends, added some good accessories to it, and did my makeup, and voila, this hair is actually very pretty. This what's it called again? Fulani. I think it's called the Fulani braids with coils. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And this is the end result of it, guys. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Until my next video, love you guys and goodbye.
Through it in detail.